is Katrina Zeno, and I'd like to share with you a little bit about a book that I've written entitled The Body Reveals God. Now, this is usually a little bit surprising for most people because we think about our souls revealing God, but we often don't think about our bodies revealing God. Well, this isn't original with me. It's actually St. John Paul II's thought in his Theology of the Body. A lot of people have heard of Theology of the Body, but if you've ever picked it up and tried to read it, you know it's rather difficult. So what I've done here is I've created a walkthrough of Theology of the Body. I kind of like to think of it like the 7-course meal, where I'll take you through and show you the structure of Theology of the Body, the basic vocabulary and themes, and I'll quote some of the texts. So you can begin to get used to his own language that's a bit difficult because it's philosophical and theological, but eventually I hope you'll be able to read the audiences of Theology of the Body for yourself. So I encourage you, go to Parousia Media website, find the book section, and consider purchasing The Body Reveals God, and go on a fabulous journey with St. John Paul II and his Theology of the Body.